Akwane Mzansi ngudimeni uDumsana kwaSithole. Mhlambe kule episode engiza nayo namhlanje angigijimele eBhayibhelini. Angichumayeli mntwana ekhaya ukuchumayela ngikwazi angisimfundisi. Kodwa kunana story saka Davide nakaqeda ukuwina ipi noGoliath. Angifuni ukukhuluma ngepi kaDavide noGoliath. Bayikhulume khulu abafundisi. Into ngifuna ukuyiveza mntwana ekhaya ukuthi uDavide before ayokulwa noGoliath bekayithandukazi yenkosi uSawula. Inkosi uSawula bekathanda uDavide ngehlizwe yakhe yonke, bekangafuni ngoDavide. Kodwa kuthe ngemva kokuthi uDavide athumbe ipi yakhe noGoliath, ngemva kokuthi uDavide nakabuye epini abantu bathome baqule ngaye, abantu bathome bampraise, abantu bathome bamphakamisa, lokho kuvuse inzondo ekosini uSawula. Ukosi uSawula wathoma wabanenkinga nomuntu bekamthanda before the victory. In other words, the hatred ifike after the victory. Inkosi imthande before the victory. After the victory kwathoma kwavuka ijealous, kwavuka inzondo. Inzondo yadala inkosi uSawula ukuthi afuna ukubulala uDavide amahlandla amahlanu. Uzama amahlandla amahlanu ukumbulala kodwa zanga finyelele kumbulaleni. Engifuna unginote mbukeli ukuthi kunabantu abazokuthanda bakusupport bakusekele for as long as you are a level below them. There is people abazokusekela bakuthande bakuhloniphe, they will do all it takes for as long as they pull you up to a level below them. The moment you start to be a level to be in their same level or be a level above them, bathome babe nenkinga nawe. That is why kunabantu kuyakho impilo ebe bakuhlonipha, ebe bakusekela, ebe bakwenzela konke, bakuvulela iminyango, bakhamba nawe before uphumelela. Kumnandi nasabawa kibo, kumnandi nasabawa ehelebho kibo. The moment uthoma ubusiseka ujama, ufika at their same level, uthoma bangaphambili, uba independent, bathome babe nenkinga nawe. Umuntu ulala uyaphenduka mntwana ekhaya. Umuntu ukuthanda na usahlakako, umuntu ukuthanda na usafuna ihelebho kuye. The moment ubonakala ngathi ungaphambili kuye, kubonakala ngathi mhlambe uthatha ishine yonke, mhlambe uthatha all the shine ibange yakho kuphela. Ngifuna ukukutshela mntwana ekhaya ukuthi nawungiloyo umuntu as mentors, khumbula ukuthi abantu abamentorako babantu ofuna ukuthi babe ngaphezulu ukudlula wena. A good leader is someone that produces leaders who are greater than him. You can't call yourself a leader if ufuna ukulimita i-success level yabantu bahelebhako. Khumbula ukuthi awusinguzima, ubazi abantu baphethisweni. Iye ngenzeka bona ubavulele iminyango, ngenzeka bona ubahelebhile, but you cannot determine their success level. As a result, ukukhanyisa ikeresi yomunye umuntu acime yakho ikeresi. Your flame doesn't burn out. Ayipheli because ukhanyisa enye ikeresi. Zifundise ukuthokozisa abanye abantu, zifundise ukubahelebha, zifundise ukubabethela izandla, bavumele baphaphe, bavumele ukuthi babe ne-freedom ukuthi bakhule, ungabi nomono umuntu omhelebhileko nakakhula ukudlula wena, because their success is your success. Bavumele ukuthi abantu baphumelele. Sinenkinga yabantu abanengi abafuna ukuhelebha abantu up to a certain level, avalele umuntu amathuba amhelebhe bese amvala afane noNkosi uSawula, angavuma ukuthi umuntu ablossom abe ngaphezulu. Nakubonakala ngathi achieve athola ama-awards, umuntu athola i-recognition, umuntu athoma ukuthola ama-bigger contracts, uthoma uba nekwalo, uba nenkinga. Mntwana ekhaya awunangikhiya zayo yonke iminyango, unikelwe that opportunity zokuthi uhelebhe umuntu because you are regarded as an answer to people's prayers. Therefore, never limit your blessing level emntwini. Never limit their future as well, because awuyazi into ekutshalwe ngaphakathi kwabo, awubazi bona bokukhula bekufike yiphi level. As a result, you can never determine ukuthi bokukhula kufikele kuphi. Nawe omonakalelwako mhlawumbe ubonakala ngathi abantu bakuvalela iminyango, you need to be smart mntwana ekhaya. Ungavumeli umuntu oqalelele kuye nofana umuntu ohelebhako bona umuntu akukhambele ngaphambili. Ungavumeli umuntu ukuthi akudetermine ukuthi impumelelo yakho yokuhamba tot kuphi. Akekho umuntu onengikhiya nomtjana one-agenda one-memorandum yokuthi impilo yokuhamba ifike kuphi. So you have the potential and the power to fly. You have the potential and the power to soar mntwana ekhaya. You have the potential and the power to be whatever you want to be. Kodwa khumbula bona impumelelo yakho ayikakanamatheli emntwini. nanoma uzima sibusisa ngomunye umuntu kodwana ukuthi omunye umuntu ukuvalela iminyanga ukuthi uphumo lakho ngeke saphumelela. Bangakuvalela umnyango kenye ikampani kodwana uzimu ovume bona lo muntu ahelebhe usenamandla wokuRedirector avume lo munye umuntu ukuthi akubusise in light of the fact ukuthi lo sekanenkinga nawe. So never limit your success and your hustle to a specific place. You need to explore. You need to think outside the box. You need to act, mntwanekha, ube proactive. You need to do things that are beyond your thinking. Ungazivalele ebhuksini, ungazivalele khoneni. Solo uyalila ukuthi iminyanga ayivuleki. Solo uyalila ukuthi uzibani bana akahelebhi. Usolo uthembele emntwini oyedwa. Mntwanekhaya ngifuna ukukutshela ukuthi the God that blessed you ngaleyo talent onayo has the power to help you ukuthi uhlangane nomunye umuntu oseqhatha ungahelebhayo, because sinenkinga yabantu abasuke bamonakalela abantu nasele babhlosomako. Ungasitshala isitshalo mntwanekhaya isithi ubeke phasi kodwana you cannot determine ukuthi yokuproduce ama-fruits ayingaki emthini loyo. Angeke wawacounter ama-fruits namtjana uwalimit ukuthi lo muthi lo ngifuna ukuthi uproduce 50 kuphela. It's beyond your control. It depends ukuthi uthelelele kangangani. It depends ukuthi le mbewu leyo inamandla kangangani. It can go beyond that. So you need to be at the point where you understand ukuthi you can blossom, you can explore, you can get to your God-given destiny. Ngingudimeni uDumsana wakwaSithole. Zuma inkosi.